What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be hitting a local honey hole, throwing some new baits with a friend of mine, Mike. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and thanks for stopping by. He's on it. Got him. Yeah. Bro, dropped the GoPro and everything. Bro, that was the one.
That's a fucking 3 and change, baby.
He followed it. I missed it, threw it back, popped it. He went right up to it. I just didn't touch it, and then he slurped her up.
You moving it slow or?
It was great, like bop, bop, and then stop. Yeah, a couple bops, and then I was letting it. That's a good one there.
Definitely. You ain't got a scale on you?
Oh, I got a scale. Let me pull one real quick.
That's about...
Nice, nice. Oh no, bro, he nailed it. Fishing this grass line, if you could see that. I haven't pulled one from it, but I know they're there.
That's the one I'm looking for. You got it on camera?
Yeah, buddy. Nice fish. Fluke strikes again.
Yes, sir, baby.
Good stuff, buddy.
Thank you, Chris. Big thanks to Myers Outdoors bringing me along on just one of many adventures.
Give her a release when you're ready. I'll get you one. Yeah, it's a nice healthy fish.
Maybe 1 3/4. Thank you, buddy.
Huge. Right here, right here. Bro, look at these bass. He's got you. You got him. You got him. Oh my gosh. Bro, throw it back. He's trying to eat this bass. Huge one.
You still there?
Bro, please let that have came up on the camera. The bass was so big, it was trying to eat this bass. Wow.
Good one, bro. That's a good one.
Unfortunately, I missed the footage of this one, but we continued casting. Got on a couple of bites, nothing was landed. Beautiful scenery. We took that in for a minute, just kind of chilled back, tried some different baits, and yeah, we had a great time. I really enjoyed having Mike on the channel today. Appreciate the knowledge that he shared with me. I'm sure he appreciated the journey that we went on. And don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned. Just picked up this GoPro and still getting used to it, so I apologize if any of the shots aren't quality, and look forward to making some more videos for you guys soon.
They're getting better for me, at least.
Yeah, it's a good one. Put your purse down, pick it up.
Not a bad fish, man.
Fucking right, brother.
Beautiful day, man.
Nice. Nice one, bro. Stay on, buddy. Nice one. It's that time of night, I guess. All right, settle down.
Good fish. about the average fucking fish, bro. That's a good fucking average.
Not a bad one. Pro had just turned off.
Tearing them up today. Good job.
This fish is so warm.